Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Treezor Banking as a Service. Treezor Banking as a Service offers a platform for businesses to integrate banking functionalities into their applications. It's aimed at fintech startups and established companies looking to offer financial services to their customers without building their own banking infrastructure. Key features include account management, payment processing, and potentially other services like card issuance, depending on the chosen package. Their website provides details on their various API offerings and pricing structures. They emphasize ease of integration and a focus on security. Pricing seems transparent, though specific details are only available after contacting their sales team. The technology utilizes modern APIs and cloud infrastructure, promising scalability and reliability. Availability is global, with details on specific regions available on their site. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Treezor Banking as a Service. Getting started was relatively straightforward. The onboarding process was well documented, and I was able to connect my existing payment gateway within a couple of hours. Navigating the interface was intuitive, the dashboard is clean and provides a clear overview of key metrics like transaction volume and account balances. I particularly appreciated the granular control over user permissions and the detailed reporting tools. Performance has been consistently excellent, transaction processing is fast and reliable. I had a quick question about a specific API endpoint, and their support responded within 24 hours via email, very efficient. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was and the level of customization available. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated mobile app for monitoring transactions on the go, but it's manageable. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Treezor Banking as a Service. It efficiently integrated into my existing systems, and the robust features make it a valuable tool for managing financial aspects of my business. That's my overview of Treezor Banking as a Service. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.